Hey everybody, this is the dry mallet smash from my last video. It turned out really well. Right here you can see there's an indent in the paint. That is from the previous pour that was on there. But if I were to resin this, it would hide it and go away nicely. So I would say it turned out pretty well. There, now you can see the whole thing stand on a chair. And I will get you set up. On there. Today I'm going to do a swipe. So let me put my gloves on. Gloves are already painty because I'm recycling them from the last time I used them, so the fingers are kind of stuck together. So I do use silicone in my swipes, spot on treadmill silicone. And I'm going to pour it in here. A few drizzles. Stir it up. Set it aside. Now I'm going to pour my mixture of house paint, Floetrol, and water. And get that going. It is, what day is today? Thursday. I don't go into work till 3, so I've got some time to paint this morning. By 9 o'clock, I'd already gone to Trader Joe's and taken the dog on a walk. I felt so accomplished. I used to sleep in till 9, but now with the dog, my husband wakes me up in the morning when he goes to work so that she doesn't have to be kenneled all morning. So now I get to be up early every day. Early to me, 6:20. Probably early to some of you and late to others of you. All right, let me get a paper towel. A little drippy. So I just sold a painting. I've got my artwork on display at the Jewish Community Center. And I just sold a painting. So excited. So I got to put another one up in its place. I'm going to start with Liquitex Basic Bright Aqua Green. I'm just going to... Then this is Mystery Bluish, purplish. I'm not really sure. And then another blue. This one's more of a primary. This one looks metallic-y. This one must be a metallic blue. And then a yellow, because I love yellows and blues and the greens that come from it. Oh, I need a swiping tool. I like to use cardboard. And I do have some cardboard right here. That should work. I'll use this side of it. Alright, so now for the white paint with the silicone. And hopefully cells pop out. I may have put too much white on there. We will see. Ah, there they come. And it is complete. Ooh, you should see the edge over here. It's super cool. I'll show you when I walk around. Over here I have gessoed a bunch of boards. Wood panels. Ah, that's an old one. Check out those cells. Super cool. There it is as a whole. But it looks so cool up close. The details are phenomenal. And here's the edge that I think looks way cool. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye.